Hey guys, MrWaheedulHaque here, back on another video today with the VOSA. Today we're going to be changing the cabin filter on the Astra H Mark 8 Golfa chicken tikka masala GTR MSI PSI STD STI BRS. But yeah, that's what we're going to be changing. The cabin filter on the Astra H 1.4. It's all the same on all the Astra H's. So it's going to be in your glove box. Have you seen his new entertainment system? What do you think, guys? Do you like it?
This one small. Not small.
It's Tox. Or just normal screws. Let's have a look. Cross edge, oh no, Tox. So this is Tox bit, so it'll be tweaked on it. But obviously yours on labeled. Most likely T20 or T25, most likely.
Small one.
The small one, yeah. Fit. You have to do that angle because you need that. I think. So where he is in the glove box, so all you're doing is taking out. Ready? Okay, one is out. Next one. Where's the filter?
It's behind the box.
Okay.
So you got 4 screws, you got 2 at top.
What's the point of a glue? Yeah, I'm not going to close this sticker there. People don't know how to die, bro.
But I think after today, you're the last person to talk.
Why is that?
Your alloys are fucked.
That road's fucked anyway. Nothing I can do about that road. Next one's off. What's the point of this cup holder, love? You tell me that.
I don't actually know, bro.
Because that would go flapping about, innit?
That's a cup holder and that's a dinner tray.
Yeah, man, because it's definitely going to be sturdy, man. Put a drink there, you go on one road, it'll fly up.
I'll drive the way I do. Jump for. Right.
4 screws out.
4 screws out. Now.
No. Oh, no.
They do it close. I can't remember.
Just pull it up, yeah. Just 4 screws in it, yeah. You wiggle it out.
I'm gonna have to move back a bit.
Just in the middle of it. There you go, guys. Yeah, that's gonna be dusty as fuck. Let's go wire on in it. Yeah, that's your airbag, I think.
No,
The yellow
one
colour.
light.
Oh no, that's fine.
There you go.
Fucking hell.
Okay.
Now if you look in there, it's on the right. Right at the back in it.
Yes.
Has it got a screw? Think it does.
Yeah, probably.
It's on the back on the right side, you'll see it.
This part where I need my phone.
Yeah, take it, sir. Ah! Ooh!
Cheers, my love.
I thought that was your new screen, bro. Would have been a big upgrade. Go on. Let's have a look.
Is it? Okay, I can see it.
See it? It's right at the back, isn't it?
Yeah.
So screw on. Look at this beautiful. Oof.
I bet.
That, what light, man? Wait. What light?
Yeah, bro.
There's nothing in there.
You're stupid, that's a light.
What's the metal connectors then? Is the light not going to be here?
Yeah, but I don't have one.
That's what I'm saying. Where is your light, man? What light?
I don't have one.
It doesn't exist, man.
I'll get one.
That means someone's been there before, innit?
Can you just keep this in the office? Just need a bit of space.
Oh, okay, guys, if you find a missing light, it might be else. Might be even be in here, but
What, missing light? I highly doubt it.
fuck knows. Enjoying yourself a bit? MashaAllah. Alright, guys, we're getting the toolbox out now. What are you looking for?
Phone.
Okay. Sorry, I think got it. Ah!
Sorry.
Oh. You're looking beautiful in there. Oof, oof. What a beautiful phone stand. Go on. Now you have to use a millimeter one. I don't know what millimeter though. We'll find out after the rake. We found the socket. It's not a millimeter one, it's a quarter. It's very hard to find. So it's just them 2 bolts. It's working, yeah?
It is working, yeah.
That's the aids in it. Could they not made this simple, bro? Look, can you see that bolt? So you got that bolt to take off and the one behind it down there. Stupid to think.
So you could have done it by hand at this point.
Need a lot more time. Next one now.
What's that number 7 number 4?
That one's so much easier to get off.
Okay, let's see how much shit comes out now.
You ready?
Let me move my feet, man.
You ready?
Hey, pull it out. All the bits
Is
on
that
there.
right?
No, the bits on. That's what take out.
Oh, yeah.
Pull it off. There you go. So it's the quarter one, remember?
Oh, shut it.
Close this. Let me move my feet back a bit. There you go. Move everything back a bit. Move your phone a bit. This shit's gonna be bad, bro. Make sure you don't get him on leg. Was it stuck on now, boy?
I don't know.
Just shimmy it. No, another screws it.
No, it just feels very sticky.
Oh, sticky, yeah. It's not been changed, has it, in its life? You move all this back, I'll move my feet back in it.
What?
No, back that way.
Oh, back?
I've got my foot behind it. There you go. Okay.
What do you do?
You zoomed in. Did you yank it?
Yes,
It's
I
stuck on by
just
then.
finish all this. No, his kind of,
Pulled out. Is it clipped on?
yeah, he's kind of just pulled out. Oh, wait. I literally got a flashlight, bro.
Yeah, here's your flashlight. I got another one here. You see anything? I don't see anything.
I don't see anything.
I think it's just stuck in there because it's sticky, it's old in it.
Or should I just send it?
Send it, man. If it breaks, it breaks. You don't need anything, man.
Bro, even me trying to send it, I can't.
Do you want me to try? Try with buttons. Bottom, hold one hand at the bottom. Nothing?
Let's watch another.
Alright guys, ours was very stuck on there, so I don't think it's been changed in our life. So all you do is brew for see if it doesn't
I
go.
already see how dirty it is.
I'll pull it out, let's see how dirty it is.
I can't do the top, bro.
The top's up now.
Yeah.
You have to yank it, that's what I did.
What if I
Make sure you
break
don't
it? What if I
in
snap it?
Inshallah. Inshallah, you should be okay.
Can't do it, bro.
It's okay now. What if I snap it? You have to buy a new one, innit? What?
Oh, no wonder it's clipped in. That's what.
Oh, I took the bottom clip out. That means more.
I don't, because my legs are actually hurting.
How? You got a car, bro.
Oh, no, it's not come off. It just came off from the outer ring.
You pull the thing out. No, you just snap it off.
Fuck it.
Just fuck it, leave it. The top one's stuck, the bottom one was stuck, but we've just yanked out.
I can't even get the filter out without yanking it off, though.
Oh, guess we might have to break then. I've tried brute forcing it. Nothing. Oh, it's fully stuck in there. Some dickhead either put something on.
You know what I'm thinking?
Oh, just yank it.
Where's my toolbox? Pass me that.
Here you go.
You can get a flathead.
I'll smack you out.
Yeah.
What did you say? I flatted.
Yeah. What are you getting at, you fucking
What did you
jam?
say? I flatted. If I can find it. Did you say flatted?
I did, bro, yeah.
I'll find it. It's right at the bottom, bro. I'm stuck now. Got too much tissue in there now, bro. Fuck me, too much tissue. 1 second, bro. Even more tissue. What tissue have you now? Shouldn't have put the whole. Anything? What the fuck's my flathead? Oh, it's right at the bottom. Because of my wallet. Oh, that's gonna cut my fucking. There you go, here you go. Here's the flathead you need.
Nice.
Good look. Pull and yank at the same time. Yeah. Wedge with that and pull. Pull with your hand. Your car is AIDS, man. Every step of the way we get into trouble in it. Same with mine, to be honest. AIDS in it.
Wait.
Yeah, do that. Pull it. It's my brake. It is what it is.
If the brake's mine.
Not much we can do. It's in a shit place. It's stuck. You can't even pull it that much because fucking everything's behind in it. There's no way to get that filter out, no?
No.
That fully has to come off in it.
Yeah.
Yeah. Oh guys, we've had to break his thing off in it.
Oh shit, where did I put it?
I don't know. Yeah. We broke one of the corners off because it was
So
fully
this
stuck
is
on.
the one that's completely fine.
So that was fully stuck on, so that's fully gone off. There's no other way. There's no way around it. Yeah. So this has been stuck in there since the car's been alive. So now we just literally pull it out. Is it stuck that bad? Now he's just pulling out with my flathead screwdriver. I don't know why.
That's easy, bro.
Are you sure, bro? Can I just pull it out? Imagine that's stuck now, bro. Fucking hell.
I did.
Yank it. Yeah, that's never been changed in his life. Look how shit's come out just in 1 second, bro. You have to hoover your car, bro. What the fuck? Oi, oi, oi. No, that wasn't meant to be black, bro. That edge is not meant to be black. Yeah, this is the original one, Delphi. Fucking hell. Yeah, what the fuck, thanks, man.
Alright, bro.
Let's get the new one out. Hopefully it's the right one.
But first, let's try kind of clean this out a little.
Oh, you can clean it with?
It's not finger.
That's a good clean, man. Oh, is there? Yeah. What's up there? So we'll have one linked in the description if you need it. A new filter. Oh, your neighbour's here. My leg is broken.
I'm not supposed to know which way it goes in though.
It says airflow. But I don't know which way airflow goes. So it doesn't really help with it. I think it'll be airflow down or something. I don't know. Wagon Becca. That one's a white one. Looks alright. Airflow, yeah, that'll be the right way.
So this way?
Yeah, because that's coming in from outside, innit? Yeah, you have to bend it a bit. Mine was for my one, you have to fully bend it. You have to curve it. Then, just pushing it through the hole now. Inshallah. Yeah. Squeeze that in as best as you can. There you go. He's struggling. Push in and push it from the top. There you go. In. Beautiful, beautiful. Okay, put the casing back on. Let's see if it fits. We just need the screws on in pretty much. Don't even tub in, bro. Actually, tub in if you want. See if it fits. That's it. Don't push too much.
And I'll push it in too much, I need to kind of pull out a little.
Don't break this new filter, man. Just leave it as it is.
Alright.
If you mess up, break it too much, it'll be broken. Ah, my leg broken. Aye.
Which way did this go? Broken pieces at the top.
Go on now. Go on, Shadwich. Done.
Yeah, I need to get out for this part.
Go on. How's your seatbelt? Wow. So just hooking it back into place. And I'm gonna screw it in. Look at these dirty toes. Look at these dirty toes.
Stop.
There you go.
Even though we broke, it's fine. As soon as them screws also, where's them screws? Up there. This is a quarter one, yeah?
Yeah.
1 second. There you go. Here you go. Good luck, yeah. Shouldn't have it. Got the quarter one, yeah? Got to press sign.
Oh.
Press it in. Push it on. All the way.
Can you give me the white screws? Two
Yeah,
white.
yeah. You're racist. Why is one white, one's black?
What do you mean the both white?
No, that's black too.
Pass me the other one as well, please.
Okay, my love. Here, my love.
She's my
Put the-
darling.
Put the new ones back in place where the screws were before. Wow. No. No product placement. They didn't pay us for this. No product placement. I'm joking. Yallah, I'm dead. Oh, like. It's not the best position to sit in. Okay, it's tightening up now. So it'll either be 6mm or a quarter like ours. I think ours has been changed, I don't know. Because every video I've seen it said 6mm. But for us it's a quarter. The screw is a quarter.
You mean the bolt?
Yeah, the bolt. Screw bolt. Is a screw in it?
Yeah.
Okay, last one. Then we need to get the glue box working. That's in it, and then the 4 screws.
Yep.
And then we'll see if your fun's any more powerful.
Hopefully.
Tight.
I'm still getting there.
Don't over tight. Yeah, that's alright. Now glue box goes in. Good luck. Just put that over there. Okay, first he's putting the wiring back in.
Which?
It doesn't matter.
Does it not?
Because you have no bulb anyway. Oh, it's halogen anyway. You can work either way, innit?
Open it.
It's LED, that's one way. Here, plug that in, plug in, push in. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. A'udhu billahi min. Yallah. Oh my. Look at the mess. Is that fully in?
Don't look at all my condoms.
Okay, okay. Is that in? There, now it's in. Now put your 4 screws in. 1, 2, 3, 4.
Yes, my love.
Okay, guys, we're done now. Look at the mess down there. That's how dirty the cabin filter was. Okay, guys, we're gonna test it out. Hopefully his fans work higher speed now. Let's find out right now.
Bro, do you need help?
Sorry, you can't start my driving seal off.
Oi, oi, oi. A bit, yeah?
That is actually a lot better.
You think?
That's so much more powerful.
Yeah.
Bob.
A new one in it, bro. Yes, it's a lot
You
better.
can smell how new it is as well.
You smell the plastic. Oof. Beautiful. Better, innit?
You can actually feel that. That's a lot more power behind it.
I was thinking, why does my car give hot air into my car? I know why, man. Because my engine's hot. Okay guys, thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe to my channel. Good night.